The artist Marc Rees chose 12 objects from the Carmarthen County Museum to represent the 12 themes of the theatre project Tir Sir Gâr. This is the story of one of those objects. This red brick, with the place name Trimsaran engraved upon it, represents the theme of architecture. The everyday brick, an item which has been of considerable use to our society for centuries, has a remarkable history. Brickwork has long been a clear sign of local architecture. Before easy commercial transport by train or the like, buildings were constructed mainly from local materials. Bricks made from different areas displayed different colours and textures, giving each district's buildings unique distinction. Bricks' colour depended upon their chemical and mineral makeup, the temperature whilst being fired, and the atmosphere within the kiln. The more lime present in the clay, the yellower the brick after firing, where bricks which contained a greater iron content were more red or pink. The records of the Inspector of Mines from 1896 indicate that Trimsaran colliery was producing coal, anthracite and fireclay. Where fireclay was once considered a byproduct of coal mining, it was soon discovered that collieries could make a little more profit by producing bricks. These bricks were a cheaper building material than stone and were far easier to transport. It became the custom for brickworks to imprint their name upon their produce, which they did using a steel or brass stamp before firing. It has been said that Trimsaran bricks were the hardest ever made, being notoriously difficult to demolish.